All right, we're going to do solving advanced linear inequalities. The big deal here is this. If you multiply or divide both sides of an inequality by a negative, you must flip the inequality symbol. You're going to need a piece of paper and a pencil to do this. There's no way to do this stuff in your head. You're going to see that I'm going to be doing a lot of writing here. Here we go. So I'm going to start with a distribution step. So that's going to give me negative 5y plus 20 plus 14 is less than 19. I'm going to combine these terms. Negative 5y plus 34 is less than 19. And now I have a two-step equation. So I'll solve the two-step equation. Minus 34 gives me negative 5y is less than negative 15. At this point, I'm going to divide both sides by a negative 5. Negative 5. I'm dividing both sides by a negative, which requires me to flip the inequality symbol. Y is greater than 3. Y is greater than 3. All right. This one, I'm going to start it off right over here by multiplying both sides by a negative 1. Negative 1. That leaves me with j plus 15 is greater than or equal to 9, subtracting 15 from both sides. J is greater than or equal to negative 6. So actually, that was just a two-step equation that looked more difficult. I'm not sure why that's complex. Okay, J is greater than or equal to negative 6. What did I mess up? Ah, I know why. Do you remember when I multiplied right here? I multiplied both sides by a negative. I should have flipped the inequality symbol. And I did not flip the inequality symbol. I multiplied both sides by a negative, and I did not flip the inequality symbol. If only I had read that, but I did not read that. Ah, Mr. Barr, I got it. You're going to jump a level. Ooh, variables on both sides. Variables on both sides of the inequality symbol. Okay, 17 minus 6p is less than or equal to 11 minus 9p. I'm going to add 6p to both sides. So 17 is less than or equal to 11 minus 3p. Subtracting 11 from both sides. 6 is less than or equal to negative 3p. Dividing both sides by negative 3. Here's the flip. Negative 2 is greater than or equal to p. And here's a flop, just because I like my answers to be in this form. P is less than or equal to negative 2. Okay. 20 minus 17w. I'm going to combine the negative 16 and the 9 right away. That's going to give me a negative 7 minus 14w. Let's add 17 to both sides. 17w. 17w. 20 is less than negative 7 plus 3w. Adding 7 to both sides. 27 is less than 3w. Dividing both sides by 3. 9 is less than w. Flopping it over, w is greater than 9. I'm not seeing anything crazy here, so let's jump up a level. Okay. So some distribution and variables on both sides. Distribution step. That's going to give me negative 50, 60, 70, 85, no, positive 85b plus 40 less than 80b plus 96. There's the distribution plus 9. Let's combine some like terms now. So I've got 85b plus 40 less than 80b plus 105. Let's subtract 80 from both sides. 80b, excuse me. That's going to give me 5b plus 40 less than 105. Subtract 40 from both sides. That gives me 5b is less than, what's that, 70, 65? Let me check that. $65, and now I'm going to divide both sides by 5. B is less than 13. Okay. Negative 4p is greater than distribution, so negative 3p plus 51. Subtracting 51. Nope, not subtracting 51. Not subtracting 51. Adding 3p to both sides. That gives me negative p is greater than 51. Dividing both sides by negative 1. P is less than negative 51. Okay, let's jump a level. Challenge zone. Decimals, okay. Use a calculator, you can do decimals. That's it, thanks for watching.